Hi Gestatus, I'm Álvaro, CEO of Nextsound. As I'm passionate about sports and music, I always train listening to music spared on by or driven of the sound. I used to wear headphones as I thought it was the only way of enjoying my music while exercising. It all changed one morning when I was on my early run. I didn't hear a car approaching and it almost knocked me down. After recovering from the shock, I went on running, but with the headphone round my neck, like a necklace. In that precise moment, I realized that it was possible to hear the music properly without blocking my ears, making it possible to stay aware of the world surrounding me. I felt safe and comfortable, and this sense of freedom encouraged me to keep on training. That's how I came up with the idea of Nextsound.
Since the very first moment, everything about Nextsound is focused on delivering amazing sound, freedom of movement and comfort. The Nextsound team has been working with a unique goal to create the smartest on-the-go music device each one of us would love to wear. We think of Nextsound as a complete sport accessory, a wireless standalone music device to store hours of your favorite music, a hands-free kit to move freely while connected, and with a light, ergonomic and intuitive design. If comfort and design are important, even more is technology. The main engineering challenge has been to get together so many features in a light, thin and flexible device. Nextsound is awesome for sports and great for everything else in daily life.
We have achieved an all-in-one wearable that provides us with premium audio without blocking our ears. Nextsound speakers are designed to focus high-quality sound on the ears so we can enjoy open-air music without disturbing people around us.
Hey Gestatus, we need your support to help bring Nextsound to life. So, if you like challenges, join us today. Back our project and connect with the Nextsound wireless experience. We will be proud of you, becoming an essential part of our team. With your help, we can revolutionize the way people enjoy music.